I am Ramurthy, Chemistry Department in DBS IT Kavali. Today I am explaining conducting polymers. Conducting polymers. Generally polymers are poor conductors. The conductivity of the polymers improved by the adding metal conductors just like silver, aluminium, other metals. What is meant by the conducting polymers? Organic polymers with highly delocalized electrons, pi electron system, the electrical conductancy on par with metallic conductors is known as conducting polymers. Once again the definition. The conducting polymers highly delocalized pi electron system and having electrical conductancy on par with metallic conductors is known as conducting polymers. Conducting polymers examples: polyacetylene and polyaniline, polyphenylene. And conducting polymers are classified 5 types. One is the pi electron conducting polymers, conducting element field conducting polymers, and doped conducting polymers, blended conducting polymers, and coordination conducting polymers. First one, pi electronic conducting polymers. Pi electronic conducting polymers is the metal molecules the entire the polymers. Then it extended polymers is charged. This pi electron conducting polymers is the molecule. When it is this type of polymer conducting polymers is entire the molecules and is a formation of pi electron system to form the conductivity is called pi electron conducting polymers. And second one is a conducting element field conducting polymer. This type of polymers binding with conducting element like is an oxides, metallic oxides just like as a zinc oxide and carbon black. This type of polymers is a field conducting polymers. And third one is the doped conducting polymers. This type of polymers charge transfer to another polymers is called a doped conducting polymers. And fourth one is blended conducting polymers. This type of polymers is a blended conversional into conducting polymers is known as blended conducting polymers. Next, fifth one is coordination conducting polymers. Coordination conducting polymers is mainly charge transfer to complex compounds. That is the main charge transfer to the complex compound to the polymers. Is that conductivity is improved to the conductivity of nature of polymers. That is the coordination conducting polymers. Next one is preparation of conducting polymers. Is in a preparation of conducting polymers by doped process. What is meant by the doping? Doping is creative charge sits on the backbone of the polymer chain is called a doping. The doping is a 2 types. One is the p doping and another one is n doping. P doping is creative positive charge sits on the backbone of the polymer chain, that is called p doping. And n doping means the creative negative charge sits on the backbone of the polymer chain is called n doping. Is this preparation of polymers by doping process. First one is the p doping and second step is the n doping. Polyacetylene is prepared by the p doping process. This process, conjugated pi electrons is reacted with Lewis acids. Lewis acids. Thereby oxidation takes place. Is creative positive charge on the backbone of the polymer chain. This conductivity is responsibility for the dopants, p dopants. P dopants, common p dopants are lithium, sodium, bromide, iodide, etc. etc. That is the equation. is an acetylene and Lewis acid ferric chloride reacted the complex ion, and positive charge and negative charge ion is form the conductivity of acetylene, polyconductivity of acetylene. And another example, polyacetylene. Polyacetylene preparation is acetylene C2H2 taken N is in a N polymers, polyacetylene. Plus react with ferric chloride FeCl3 gives C2H2 in polymer and minus charge. That is a plus charge of the polymer, and FeCl3, FeCl4 minus plus FeCl2. This is the equation of balance of equation is in a 2, 2 and 2. This is the ferric chloride is a Lewis acid. That Lewis acid reacted is polyacetylene to form a conductivity. And second example, polyacetylene C2H2 taken N plus I2 iodine give acetylene C2H2 taken N positive charge and I3 minus charge. This is the positive charge and negative charge complex is form of the conductivity of the polymers. So this one is the second example. The equation balance 2 and 3 and 2. That is the balance of acetylene, polyacetylene conductivity. So this one is the first P doping. Second one is the N doping process. N doping process is this process is conjugated pi electron system is treated with Lewis base. Lewis base is just like is in a base of elements. Thereby the reduction takes place, creative negative charge sits on the backbone of the polymer chain. At the same time, responsibility for the conductivity of the N dopants. Commonly N dopants, just like as Na, is a naphthylenamine, etc. etc. So that is it. That equation. Once again about N doping. The N doping, N doping means the process of conjugated pi electrons treated with Lewis base. Thereby reduction reaction takes place, creative negative charge on the backbone of the polymer chain. Is the responsibility for the conductivity of N dopants. Commonly N dopants is just like lithium and naphthylenamine examples. First one acetylene CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond and CH single bond plus and B means Lewis base gives, that is the CH double bond CH single bond CH is in a negative charge on the carbon, is a bond B plus positive charge and double bond CH. This is the one example of polyacetylene, general example of polyacetylene. And second example, second one is the acetylene CH double bond CH and single bond CH double bond CH and single bond plus C10H7 NH2. This is the naphthylamine. Naphthylenamine gives is a CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH is in a that amine group is in a negative charge on the carbon and amine group NH plus positive charge at the nitrogen to form a C10H8, this is the naphthalene, and naphthalene. C10H8 is the naphthalene. This one is in a amine group. Amine group is a positive group and negative charge on the carbon. That is the second example. Acetylene is reacted with naphthalene amine. Naphthalene amine is divided the two charges. One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. Positive charge goes to nitrogen and negative charge goes to carbon. That effect is two charges on the complex to improve the conductivity of the polymers is called a polyacetylene conductors. So next one is the applications of conducting polymers. Applications of conducting polymers are uses of conducting polymers. Just like conducting polymers are using in cell phones, and it is used as telecommunication system. Telecommunication system, it is a very development of the telecommunication system are mostly useful of polyconductors. Next one is it is used aerospace components, and it is used aircraft components. It is used non-linear optical materials, and it is also used computer devices also. So conducting polymers, it is used in society more importance, and is a non-linear opticals are used by the conducting polymers. Today is a developing of computer system are using by the conducting polymers. And telecommunication system, today will be every person using of telecommunication system. And another one is it is used airspace components, aircraft components is the most useful of conducting polymers. Yes, this is once again the conducting polymers. What is meant by the conducting polymers, and classification of conducting polymers, and synthesis of conducting polymers, applications of the conducting polymers. So, and this is the synthesis, also doping. What is meant by the doping? N-doping, P-doping. There is a process of doping, synthesis by process of doping. That are the completion of conducting polymers.